Hello, everyone. Welcome to Runax Institute of Hotel Management. Today, we are here to announce a wonderful information to all the students, those who want to make their career in the hotel and hospitality industry. Runax Institute have understood the importance of the industry as well as the time frame and the financial part of all the students in the market. Now, the students also want to do a course in the hotel industry, but want to do it very fast and start off their career. So, keeping that in mind, Runax Institute of Hotel Management has introduced very short courses for the students. We have introduced 6 months and 1 year course. Now, what do you do in the 6 months and 1 year course? I'll elaborate a bit. You can choose any of the industry and any of the specialization. This is yes as per your choice. So if anybody wants to do in hotel industry, there are major four departments: front office, housekeeping, food and beverage service, and food and beverage production. So the students also want to get into the hotel industry, the food department, and wants to be a chef, can straight away do a 6 months or a 1 year specialized course in the culinary section, and you can become a professional chef. Somebody wants to be in the front office department, can only do the specialization in front office, housekeeping, and also for the service department. So if you are going to concentrate more on your career and you're very particular about what you want to do, there are many people in the industry are there, those who are working at the moment, but they do not have a proper training apart from the industry experience. But to expand yourself, to grow better, you need to have proper certification. So in that case, you can definitely opt for the 6 months or the 1 year course, which Runax Institute of Hotel Management is opting it at a very affordable cost. Please call up the helpline number 89616 89616 I repeat once again, the helpline number is 89616 and 89616 Even if you want to get into the hospitality industry, you can definitely do the short courses. We have also specialized courses for the 6 months and 1 year. So, keeping in mind the need of the hour, Runax Institute has opened its door for the students to complete a course at a very short period for a 6 months or a 1 year. Now, in 6 months, how we divide the course, we divide it in two halves. That is, 3 months you have classes in the college, you get proper training by the teachers and the faculties, you get exposure in the college campus itself, and then you're placed in the industry. So you do 3 months internship, and definitely you get 100% job from the college. Now, what we do about the 1 year courses, we divide it into two halves, that is 6 months and 6 months. 6 months classes are going to be there in the college itself, in the premises itself, and the next 6 months it's going to be in the industry. After you complete the course tenure, that is 6 months and 1 year, the students are given 100% job placement from the college, depending on which location you want to get into. You can join the national level within India, you can go abroad in the foreign countries, that's up to you. So we prepare our students accordingly. We only do not concentrate on the subject but on the external and X factors that's required in the industry. In the hotel and hospitality industry, we do that. Now, when we complete that, we also do it in the grooming, personality development, communication skill, foreign language, computer skills. So these are the additions that we are imparting to the students to make them competent enough in the industry. So join your dream industry today and join Ronax Institute of Hotel Management for the specialized course that we are offering at the moment, that is 6 months or 1 year. So it's a very good news. The students, those who would be enrolling within this September 15th, would definitely get a privilege in kind of scholarship or something in the some kind of discount or some kind of privilege. So, students, come up, call up the helpline number 89616 29333. 89616 3933. Do visit the campus. We are located at Newtown, at a very prime location, very close to Shankar Nethraloy, Newtown, a 5 minutes distance from there, and 7 to 8 minutes distance from Bishwabangla Gate. So it's a very prime location where we are located. So visit the campus, explore your questions. If you have, call up the helpline number to get a proper counseling, and definitely you have a wonderful career ahead. So, the most important thing is the infrastructure. Runax Institute of Hotel Management has a wonderful infrastructure. It has a huge campus for the students to cater, and in every department, luxurious industry standards labs have been created for the students to feel at as if the replica of the hotel and the hospitality industry in the campus itself. So, looking forward to meet the students in the campus and have one-to-one conversation with you. Once again, the helpline number for you is 89616 29333, 896 Call now. Make a career, make a difference in your life.